Hey guys, this is Chuck Crisco, and I want to teach you today, real briefly, how to start practicing Forex for free. Now, if you don't know, Forex is the $5.3 trillion per day market that is a currency exchange market between the various currencies. And I'm going to show you, because you've probably seen those charts where you see the lines moving up and down, and you think, man, I'd love to be involved in something, invest in something like this, learn a skill like this, but I'm overwhelmed when I look at these charts and I don't have a clue what to do with it. So I want you to approach it instead like a video game. Now, if you're like me, I grew up playing Asteroids and Pac-Man and Pac-Woman, I think is what it was called, and Donkey Kong and all these other video games. And you know, I wasn't intimidated by it. I was trying to learn to win. And so I'm going to show you how to download a free brokerage platform that you'll use on your PC. It won't cost you anything. You can't lose any real money. It's all just for fun. And because it's monopoly money, you get a chance to play and approach it like you're trying to learn how to win a game. And so I want to encourage you to go to jafx.com, jafx.com on your PC, and we're going to look at how you can download this. All right, jafx.com, go to the MT4. You're going to click on this MT4 right here. When you do, it's going to pull up an exe file, and you're just going to run that file. It'll do all the work for you. You run the file, and it will make it really simple for you to install. Now I want to transfer. Once you've installed that, you're going to see something along these lines, a chart like this. And you're going to go up to the left-hand corner where it says File, go down to Open an Account. Where it says JAFX Demo 3, click Next. You're going to do New Demo Account, click Next. You're going to fill in your information here, and on the deposit, remember this is pretend money, so you put in as much as you want. Put 5,000, put 10,000, whatever you want to do. I agree, click Next, and it's going to create an account for you for free. Now, this login and password here, you may want to screenshot that so you can save it. You can do this on your phone as well, because you can download an MT4, which is MetaTrader 4, on your phone. Then click Finish. Once you finish that, you see charts like this. Now, on the left-hand side, you've got these pairs here. You can see down here, NZD, JPY. I want you to, if you're not seeing all that, you just go up here to this button, the navigator, click it a couple of times. Again, you're playing with it. Find a pair, USD, JPY, here's one. Right-click it. Chart window. Go over here. I'm going to use this template because I just like the background and how it looks. Now you can just begin to play. You begin to play and learn by just playing around on here. Give you a quick tutorial. This isn't to teach you how to trade, it's to teach you how to play. Quick tutorial. You know, you got your cursor here. You can use these to draw lines. So if I want to do a line right here, I want to do another one right here. This is what we call a support or resistance line. This is called a trend line. Helps me to start thinking about, well, if all these other times here, it looks like it went up and bounced off, is it going to do that again? Or is something else going to happen? Well, it looks like it's breaking through that on the 1 hour candle. This is the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. So wow, it's here we got, it looks like it's going to break through that resistance that it's had at the top up there. So you can come over here, you can right click on your screen, do one click trading, then just say, you know, I'm not telling you how to trade yet, but let's just say you're thinking, hey, this is going to go up. Tendency here is for this thing to go up overall. So you're gonna click buy here. I accept the terms and conditions. Okay. Now let's try it again. Now, first of all, that 0.10 is what is different in Forex than in the way that we write money. So this is not 10 cents. It actually represents $1. So 0.10 represents $1 per little movement in the market going up or down. So I want to buy it, and I want 0.10, which is $1, or 0.01, which is 10 cents, or 1.0, which is $10 per pip. Let's just for fun do $10 per pip. I'm going to push a buy here because that looks like it's still going up, and so we're going to buy. Well, all of a sudden, once you click buy, that right there shows up on your screen, the green dotted line. That tells you that it is a trade that you are currently in. Now you can left click on this and drag it. I'm going to pull it down to right here. And that is because I'm going up as a buy. This is going to be my stop loss. You can drag it down to wherever you want to make where you want to stop. Well, you know, I'm willing to go this far and lose here because it's for fun. $2,940. But let's go to the 4 hour. I think it's going to go up to, let's say, right here, minimum. And so I'm going to go back to where it entered me into that buy. I left click again. I can drag that up to that line. And my profit here, if it reaches there, will be $4,941 in play money, right? So this is how you can start to play with it. Now, I'm not really teaching you any kind of techniques. I'm not telling you how to trade. I'm just giving you a platform to start playing with. You can go down here to gold. Go to the chart window. Go over here for templates, JAFX. I just like their templates better. Looks like this one's been moving sideways for a long time, right? Let's draw me a line here for fun. Drawing another one here. Draw another one here. And I'm going to guess that based on past, looking to the left, past, it seems to be bouncing up and down in this. There's more than one way to enter a trade. This is just one of them. You see where it says new order, you can play with that as well. And let's say I'm going to do a buy here as well. And it didn't let me do it. Probably because I don't have enough in an account to risk that much. So let's do this at $1 each. 0.10. All right, there we go. And again, you can drag this up and think, well, you know, it should come at least this far. If it goes at least that far, that's $41 I'm going to make right there, because this is a $1 instead of $10 for each movement up. But I want a stop loss down here because I don't want to lose my whole account. It doesn't seem to go below this part right here, so I'm going to drag it that far. And the most I could lose here is $26.40. Now, where does this stuff show up at? Well, over here at the bottom left, you see it says trade. You can go there, You see we're in 2 trades, USJPY and XAU, which is gold USD. And right now we're minus $461 on the USJPY, and we're minus $2.50 on the XAU USD. All right, so that's where you see, well, you say, oh, I don't want to lose any more money. I want to get out of this. All right, far right over here, USD JPY, click there, and now I closed out. But I closed out with a loss because that's, it was in the negative at that point. So if you want to wait until it gets into the positive, then you can close it out that way too, or it'll automatically close out on your, where you drug your take profit to. All right, I mean, it's that simple. And there's way more to this, and I don't want to take the time to do that, because what I really want you to do is just find out how much fun it can be just playing with it and play money. And just go for it. Go to the daily chart. Look, you can look at, let's look at the, we'll see Bitcoin. Bitcoin here. I want to zoom out a little bit. I want to look at the daily, not just the hour. I want to see what this is doing. Each one of these candles represents a day. Each candle, M1 represents 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly. So I grab my trend line over here, start up here from it was way back when it was about $20,000 Bitcoin. Now it's way down here. Seems to be in a trend. What about down here? There's this support level. It keeps getting to this place right here and bouncing back up. So what is it about to do? Well, that would be something for you to play with and try out and watch and see what it does. So these are all kind of things you can begin to play with. Now, again, this is like the, when Drew Carey used to say, and whose line is it anyway? It's the game where everything's made up and the points don't count. And so here you are. You can have fun with this where the points don't count. Everything's made up. You're just playing. Of course, when you're just getting familiar with it, then there come a time when you can begin to learn some skill and some technique and to understand how to actually put this in real life action in a live account. And those are some things that we can teach you. So again, this is Chuck Crisco with Wealth is for All. If you're interested in learning Forex, then I want you to check out the link below. I think you'll find it very fascinating. Have a great day.